In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can make clouds in Microsoft Paint. So let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type Paint. Click on Microsoft Paint under the best match to open it. So here in this blank sheet, we're going to make clouds. So look at the options and features at the top and you can find shapes and you will find this one. Cloud callout, click on that and then you will notice the plus sign symbol, simply drag that, okay? And you will notice this one, but there is a tail because this is like for a dialogue. So how can we remove this one? You will find the square symbol, which is to select, click on that, and then simply select the tail that we need to delete. Okay, like that. Okay, and we just need to simply erase it. Okay, like that. And we just need to simply connect it because it has been erased. Okay, like that. So once this now looks like a cloud, we need to fill it with a color. So you'll notice this fill option right here at the top and then choose the color from here. So let's go with light turquoise and then fill it. Okay, like that. And now we have just created a cloud in our Microsoft Paint. We can remove also some lines, overlapping lines, and that's it. Okay. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.